Hey guys, and welcome to my channel once more, and today I'm doing 2 times in a row, random facts. This is for the people who just didn't do their homework, they didn't study, at school or home, because homework sucks. They just didn't prepare, and now it's 1 hour before the day of the test. And you need to watch minutes of worth of geography, because this is what it's about. The map of the world, which I'm reading from my student dictionary that has an Earth as its cover. The total area of the Earth, if you didn't know this, was for people out of the States. It's 510.072 square kilometers. It's 300, and for us in the States, in miles, it's for big miles is 316.96 million square miles. Water area is 361.132 million square kilometers, 224.41 million square miles. Note, 70.8% of the world is water, 29.2% is land. The 4 oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The biggest oceans in the entire world. Let's sit down real quick, because this is heavy-duty stuff. Okay. So, the Pacific Ocean is 64,186,300 square miles, and it is 12,925 feet deep. The Atlantic Ocean is 33,420,000, laugh if you will, square miles, and it is 11,730 feet deep, if you didn't know. The Indian Ocean is 28,350,500 square miles, and it is 12,598 feet deep. Sorry if this bores you, or the previous one, of course. The Arctic Ocean is 5,105,700 square miles, and it is 3,407 feet deep. The world's largest bodies of water, aka the 4 oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean, which we all talked about. Then we have the South China Sea, which is 1,149 square miles, which is much less. The Caribbean is 1,068 square miles. Upcoming in third is Mediterranean, which is 971 square miles. The Bering Sea is 875 square miles. The Gulf of Mexico is 596 square miles. The Sea of Okhotsk, let me know if you can pronounce that, is 590 square miles. The East China and Yellow River are all 482 square miles. The longest rivers is the Nile, then the Amazon, then the Yangtze, then the Mississippi Missouri, then the Yenisei Angara, the Huanghe, the Ab/Etrush, the Zaire Congo, the Mekong sounds like that's a really fun word to say, Mekong, the Parana Plate, the Amur, the Lena, the Macanese, the Niger, the Murray-Darling, the Volga, and the Zambezi. Those are all the world's longest rivers. Next, I will be rating the continents on where you should live. Of course, I've only gone to three of the continents, which is North America, Europe, and Asia. But I really only go to Japan. I only stay in the United States, and I go to Germany. But that was when I was very young. But whatever. I'm going to take sentences from this book and use it on where you should live. I'm going to rate it from 1 to 10. Asia, which measures around 16,990,000 square miles, holds around 61% of the world's population. Asia is comprised of many of the countries, including Russia, Lion, China, Mongolia, Iran, and India. Australia, the only continent that is also a country, measures 2,978,000 square miles. It is in the southern hemisphere and holds 0.5% of the world's population. It holds one of the most dangerous animals in the world. Africa. Africa measures around 11,657,000 square miles and holds 12.7% of the world's population. The equator goes right through the middle of Africa, so it is scorching hot. North America measures around 9,348,000 square miles. The United States, Canada, and Mexico, the major countries in North America, which holds 7.9% of the population. South America. South America measures around 6,885,000 square miles, and it is in the southern hemisphere. South America counts 5.9% of the world's population. Antarctica. Located south of the Arctic Circle, Antarctica is 5,404,000 square miles. Antarctica is the coldest and windiest place, other than Kuzbak, Russia. There is no indigenous inhabitants. But there are seasonally staffed research stations. The Antarctic Treaty governs the continent of Antarctica. Finally, Europe. Europe is 4,051,000 square miles and holds 12% of the world's population. Many countries make up the continent Europe, including France, Italy, and Germany. The last part of this video, it's getting to be around 7 minutes, is the part where I rate the continents. But first I'll rate Earth. Earth is the only place that we know that can hold on its own life. So I'd say it's a 10 out of 10. But continents, rated by each other, Asia and North America, which are the only ones I've mainly been to, probably score the highest, which is 7.5, because not China, Asia is great places to see. Very rich countries, and also they're hard-working people that I know, of course, and they're just nice people overall. But it can get a little crowded in a lot of places, so I'm giving it a 7.5. Next, we have Australia. Not very crowded, amazing sights, and not much pollution. Wouldn't it be great? Actually, there are a lot of dangerous. There's a lot of dangerous animals, like the funnel web spider. Kangaroos can also be very dangerous, and koalas. Even as cute as they are, their piss is toxic, and their bite is toxic, and their scratch is toxic. A lot of things in Australia is toxic. Next is Africa. Dry. A lot of countries are rich there, but some are still poor. It's very hot. Did I also mention it's hot? A lot of dangerous animals there too, actually. But bigger. Less toxic, but bigger. Next, we have North America, which I live in the States, so I should know. It depends on what state you're living in. It depends on what country you're living in, because Greenland and Iceland, they're pretty cold. They're pretty cold up there. So is the top of Canada. But here in the United States, I think it's pretty cool here. There are a few people who want to change liberals that want to change our beautiful country, but I don't know what to say. I think this continent's pretty good, so I rate it a 7.5 out of 10. Oh wait, no, I forgot to rate Africa and Australia. Australia I'd probably give maybe a 6. Africa I would also maybe give a 6.5. South America, great instrumental music, great sights, not many bad places to go. Only problem I have there is the political structure and it rains spiders there sometimes, which is creepy. I learned that on game theory, or film theory. Whatever, same thing. So basically, I would give that a 6.5 out of 10. Finally, Europe. It holds some great countries, all very rich, very industrial, very technologically advanced. They all have great sights, all very amazing countries, and their political system isn't that bad right now. So, I give it a 7 out of 10. And that concludes this episode. this video. It hit the 10-minute mark currently, and I hope you guys have an amazing second, moment, hour, day, week, month, year, decade, century, millennium, and life. I hope you guys have all those great things. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.